Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Rs6 versus the BMW M5. Let's start by looking at their impressive performance figures. Both vehicles boast powerful V8 engines, delivering over 550 horsepower. This allows them to achieve 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, offering thrilling acceleration. With optional packages, their top speeds can easily exceed 155 miles per hour, showcasing their high-performance capabilities. Moving beyond raw power, let's explore how these two performance machines handle on the road. The Audi Rs6, with its quattro all-wheel drive, provides exceptional traction and stability, especially in varied conditions. In contrast, the BMW M5 typically offers a more dynamic rear-wheel drive feel, appealing to drivers who prefer a traditional sports sedan experience. Both have sophisticated suspension systems, tuned for a balance of comfort and aggressive handling. Now, let's step inside and compare the cabins. Both the Audi Rs6 and BMW M5 offer luxurious interiors, crafted with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The Rs6, being a wagon, naturally provides more versatile cargo space, making it a practical choice for families or those needing extra room. The M5, while a sedan, still offers ample space. Both cars feature intuitive infotainment systems with large, clear display screens. Finally, let's talk about value and our concluding thoughts. When considering these high-performance vehicles, it's important to weigh not just the initial purchase price, but also long-term ownership costs like maintenance and insurance. Both the Audi Rs6 and BMW M5 represent incredible engineering, offering a distinct blend of luxury, power, and driving excitement. They cater to slightly different preferences, making your choice a personal one. Also, for some great deals, including leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.